Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Glam House Couture, aka Shauna here. And if you guys want to see how I created this So Icy set, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Alrighty, so y'all know the deal. So I'm going in with my drill bit, and today I'm using the Apres Sculpted Coffin long tip, and we're gonna go ahead and file off the top layer of shine and buff with our mini buffer and wipe down with alcohol. Alright, so here I'm taking my base coat gel and I'm applying the first layer, and we're going to cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Alright, so now I'm adding the second layer of the base gel and we're going to cure again in the lamp for 60 seconds. Alright guys, so now I'm taking the Makartt 10203 from the Winter's collection, mixed with a little bit of top coat just to get it a milky white, and we're going to apply it to the thumb, middle, and pinky finger. Alright, so here we're adding a second layer of the mixture just to get the color to show through a little bit more. Alright, so here I have some iridescent flakes that came in one of my Polygel kits. And I'm taking some nail foil glue and I'm going to apply the flakes in a thin layer across the nail and cure for 60 seconds. As usual, I will have the products I use listed in the comments below if you guys are interested in checking those out. So yeah. Alrighty, so while I was editing, I realized that in the next shots coming up that my camera was out of frame due to my recording stopping. So I do apologize for the next shots being out of frame. So here I'm taking the color 798 from Beetles. I forgot which collection it came in, but I will link it down below. So here I'm taking some chrome powder. The color is number 5. I will link where I got it from in the description box below. So here I'm adding a second layer of the color 798 just so I can get that glitter to pop. So after curing for 60 seconds, I decided to add a third layer of the color 798 just so I can get the glitter to show the way I wanted it to. Alright, so I am going to apologize for how this has been shot. I had some technical difficulties, but I really wanted you guys to see this design and how it came out. So I stuck it out and I decided to add some stones at the end, but I didn't get them in the frame. I do apologize for that. Alright guys, and after a load of technical difficulties, here's what the So Icy set is looking like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.